Hi guys, today I'm going to do a virtual walk around a fresh in stock Toyota Corolla. The 2 litre hybrid, and this is the XL edition. Finished in this gorgeous Tyrol silver. As you can tell, a lovely looking car, really great spec as well. Gorgeous paintwork. To get onto the alloys, we've got the 17-inch multi-spoke alloys, which are diamond turned. You've got the nice silver and black as well, which look great. Really great condition, all in good shape. Go to the front, you've got your high performance LED headlights with daytime running lights, very bright and powerful lights, and they also look great. Got a lovely styling kit around the car, which makes it look really futuristic and really good. Got all the lovely chrome trims as well on the splitter. If we go to the sides, you can see you've got the nice hybrid badging with matching club wing mirrors to the body colour. You got your indicators on there too, and black housing. Lovely chrome trim along the top side of the windows, and you've also got a nice chrome trim on the bottom. Got black B pillars and rear privacy glass. If we go to the rear, got the nice lip spoiler on top of the boot in silver. You also have the brake lights on there too. Got really nice rear tail lights, which are very bright and powerful. We also have the nice chrome on the diffuser and the 2 exhaust tips on the side. If we go and get into the boot, we can unlock the car. Open up the boot, you can see you've got absolutely great boot space. You can fit a lot in there. You've got a nice mat as well, and also a load space cover, which is great. If we go into the rear of the car, you see you have the gorgeous half leather, half cloth seats with the nice red contrast stitching going through. Very spacious and very comfy as well. Fit 3 people in there nicely. We also have rear storage on the seats and the rear fans for climate control. If we go and get into the front, you can see we've got the same style seats. We've got a bit more lumbar support and very comfy, kind of like bucket seats. And we also do have the adjustable backrest there as well. If we go and get into the car, it's wireless entry, so foot on the brake, press the stop start button, and the car will turn on. Obviously it's hybrid, so you won't be able to hear it, but the car is actually on. Got the lovely leather steering wheel with controls on either side. So on this side, you've got your different controls for your virtual driving dash, which is a nice big display. You can get all your different settings up and everything, go through radio stations and whatnot. You've also got your volume control and hands-free button there too. On this side, you've got your cruise control and limiter, your lane assist, and then also the different modes for your sources. So you can go through from your phone to DAB radio to CD and everything. You can use them to change channels. You've also got flappy paddles as well if you want to use them to change gear, which is a nice alternative. If you go down, you can see you've got the leather door cards with the same stitching to match the interior. You've got fully electric automatic windows and the ability to lock the rear windows. We also have the central locking functions and all your different wing mirror settings as well, which is great. If you go down here, you've got your automatic headlights, and then you can adjust everything. You've got your how tight this is as well, your steering wheel. If we move over to the media display, which is either touchscreen or you can use the quick access buttons, you can see you've got the really nice navigation system, which is very clear and easy to use, and all up to date with the latest software. If you go onto audio, you can see you've got DAB radio, you've got FM, you've got AM, you've got Miracast, so you can connect your phone to the screen. You've got Bluetooth, and then you've got aux as well, so you can listen to your own music through there, or USB and everything, or Bluetooth audio. You can also use Bluetooth audio for your phone settings, so you can take answer and decline calls through the car. Moving down, you've got your climate control, which you can change and adjust. You've got your temperature on this side, you can change it in the back. You've got eco mode for the aircon and everything, front and rear defogging, which is great, and then obviously your aircon. If you move down, you've got your heated seat buttons, so you've got heated seats on either side, so you can have it on low, medium or high, or turn them off. Got the nice gearbox, the different modes for your car, such as eco mode, comfort mode and dynamic mode. Then you've got your electric automatic handbrake as well. You've got 2 drinks holders, a bit of storage space, and if we open up here, you've got a USB port, and then you've got another 12 volt there too. So if you have any more questions about this car, please feel free to contact our sales team, and potentially this could be your next new car. Cheers.